The air outside is cold. The leaves are turning gold. Hooray! Hooray! The children say it's Halloween today. Time for pumpkins. Time for treats. Time for costumes. Time for sweets. Time to sing and time to shout. Time for monsters to come out. Monster big and monster small. Monster walk and monster crawl. Monster marching 2 by 2. Monster marching right by you. Silly monster, scary monster, happy monster, hairy monster, furry monster, fluffy monster, purple monster, puffy monster, monster hungry, monster eat, monster find a tasty treat, monster munching, monster crunching, monster chomping, monster stomping, monster go from door to door. The street are a giant candy store. They fill their back with more. They fill their backs with more and more. Then one monster started to snore. Soon another started to droop. She drifted to sleep on her front stoop. It's getting very late. Monster tried to stay awake. Now the moon is high and high. Now the moon is high and bright. Monster starts to say good night. Monster wave goodbye to friend. Halloween is at its end. Sleepy monster, tick it tuck. Sleepy monster, tuck it tight. Good night, monster. Sweet dreams tonight.